Okay, so now let's take a look at number 3. How do we evaluate the double integral e to the power x plus y when the boundary is between 0 and 1 and y is between 0 and 2? So when you see this expression e to the power x plus y, it's better we can rewrite this expression using the exponential rule. So e to the power x plus y can be written as e to the power x times e to the power y. Okay, so e to the power x times e to the power y. Be careful one more, another expression. If you have e to the power x times y, do not write that e to the power x times e to the power y. This is wrong. Okay, we cannot do this. This is not the correct exponential rule. This is the right one. Okay, so now we're gonna put everything into the integral. So y equals 0, y equals 2, and then integral of x equals 0, x equals 2, no, x equals 1, e to the power x times e to the power y dx dy. So we're gonna have to integrate the inside integral first. So since e to the power y will be a constant when we integrate with respect to x. So I'm gonna pull the e to the power y to the front. The only time that you can bring the y value into the front is when this is a multiplication. If this is the plus, you cannot put the EY to the front. Okay, so you have to leave it like that. So now, because this is the multiplication, so I can bring the EY to the front, and I will have EY. Let me erase that, and then I bring that to the front here, EY. And then I will integrate EX. So integral of EX is what? Integral of from 0 to 1 of EX dx. Integral of EX is EX, and then we take it from 0 to 1. Then the answer will be e to the power 1 minus e to the power 0, which is e minus 1. And this is a constant, and we put that back into this integral when we have y equals 0, y equals 2, ey times e minus 1 dy. Okay, so another multiplication with a constant, because this is with respect to y. This is going to be our constant. E minus 1 is a number. So if you put that into the calculator, if you take e minus 1, it's actually equal 1.72. 1.72. So this is actually a number, okay? Number is a constant, so I can actually bring this to the front, and that will be e minus 1 times integral of y equals 0, y equals 2, ey dy. And now we're going to have to integrate this. So integral of ey dy from 0 to 2 is ey. And then we take that from 0 to 2. We're putting the y, we have e to the power 2 minus e to the power 0. So e2 to the power 2 minus 1. And then we put that back into this. We have e minus 1 times e squared minus 1. This is going to be the answer for that double integral. Okay?